good recipe, and it's kind of light, so you don't have to worry about having something high in fat and busting your waistline. And the recipe is going to be banana nut pancakes just like banana nut bread. First, I'm going to make up some egg whites. You need 6 of them. Mix this up till it's really light and fluffy. And also to prepare, you want to mash up 2 large bananas. Now I'm going to mix up the dry ingredients, and I'll put in 2 cups white flour. Now I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, now I'm going to mix it up. Cups of milk, mashed bananas, teaspoons of oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now I'm going to add in the egg whites. I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. You can use pecans if you choose, or another type of nut. Now I'm going to add it to the dry ingredients. Best. I put 5 on the other one and they got stuck. So, I'll see you when they're all done. And there's the finished product. Let's just stick a little bit, some butter on. And my favorite syrup, which is sriracha. Give it a shot. The banana hits you almost immediately when you put it in your mouth. Nice, light, really, like, just like I said, banana bread. It is absolutely wonderful. Give it a shot and let me know what you think. And see you in the next video.